Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a good day and living a healthy life. And so I've come again here in the video to speak and discuss about cue cards. So I've chosen this video for speaking in this video because I was uploaded multiple videos in YouTube, but for not having a lot of time to listen them, so I'm just trying to listen nowadays and just recording myself, like how I was expressing myself and what are the mistakes we can find out after listening that video. So hope you watch this video till the end. You will find a lot of helpful points which you can implement in your life. So just be on this video. So I'm starting from the beginning. Just hold a second. हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक अगेन टू माय चैनल. सो आज बहुत दिन हो गए थे, शाम को इवनिंग में कभी आई डिडेंट मेक एनी वीडियो ऑफ इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस in the evening. I'm just checking out like some lights. Is it working or not? How is the quality of the videos going to be? So it is fantastic for me right now, and I'm just walking and want to make video for YouTube as well. So check out this like lighting. How is it good or not? Like check it. This I think I'm just walking and working as well. Like I have got some sort of time to like walk, and there is also a temple which I've shown in my previous. So have you seen this video? You can see that there is one dream, and for that I'm working. So that is my separate life, and other thing is that I'm also working in some company where I used to work as a customer service executive, and along with that I'm also a English learner. So both thing I'm doing in the same day and same time. There is a lot of people who are making excuse that I'm working and I didn't able to get times to speak, to get enrolled in myself in English classes. So I was in the same condition, but there is some desire for me to speak English and to gain the confidence. So you will find out there is a lot of basics words and lot of stuckness while speaking. But one thing is most important, that you have a vision and you have a dream that you can achieve that, and so at the end that will help you, and that is what matters the most. Because if you are self doubting yourself, so you are not able to basically stand, because in the childhood you are basically a toddler who is not able to walk, right? So after believing that you can walk, and believing of your families, your parents, so you are able to walk. So this is like kind of English. Basically you need to believe that you can master it, and so that is what help you going to achieve in your life. So this is a video for a message for people who are beginner and want to do something in English or other parts of their life, because there is one thing which is common is self belief, self esteem you need to have. Then after you can achieve whatever you want in your life. So I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye bye.